Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago and in today's video we are going to cover the Sahara AI Airdrop. We have the public testnet from the last week, so we are going to check what you can do. It's very easy and we are just starting with these phases on the public testnet. So let's go directly to the content and see everything that we can do. The Sahara AI Data Services platform empowers anyone to meaningfully participate in the AI economy. By contributing your knowledge and expertise, you can help advance AI while earning rewards for your effort. This platform is your opportunity to make an impact in a growing global ecosystem. Important points to remember about the Sahara AI project is that they have 43 million in funding. You can confirm that here at CryptoRank with many important VCs. One of them is the previously known as Binance Labs, Polychain 2 and Sequoia. There is a confirmed airdrop for testnet users, and if you remember we covered the private testnets before, and this is finally the public testnet SIWA. So here if you go to my website cryptocurrencystate.net and search for Sahara, you can see that we first covered the whitelist for the private testnet, and then those that got whitelisted we participate on the airdrop season 2 on the private testnet. So now this is the first phase of the public testnet that we are going to cover today. So all the official announcement about this is in the Twitter page. You can see that they have 850k followers on Twitter, so it's a lot on X. And the official announcement of the SIWA public testnet is this on May 19, and this is the first real step toward an AI-driven future that is open and accessible to all. The private testnet shows strong momentum, 3.2 million total accounts with at least one on-chain transaction, 1.4 million active accounts, and 200k users on our data services platform. One thing to highlight here is the amount of partners that they have. We are excited to launch the SIWA testnet with more than 40 new partners across AI, Web3, cloud and research. So you can see some of those here. As enterprise clients, you also have Microsoft and Amazon. They actually are tagging them here, so you can see how important this is. Wallets and another protocols for infrastructure, and same for data services, and another model services for AI and compute like AWS or Google Cloud. So very important launch for this public testnet. Now one important thing about this launch is that the SIWA roadmap comes of 4 phases. The first one that we are going to cover, the phase 1, you need to register, own and manage your AI data sets. That is what we are going to do. Don't worry, it's super easy, it's just a couple of clicks. Then we are going to be waiting for phase 2, licensing, revenue distribution and royalty vault. Phase 3 is permissionless testnet with open source protocol. And finally the phase 4, pipeline registration, provenance tracking and proof of contribution. So this is how the SIWA public testnet is divided. Now let's go and check everything that we can do. The first thing guys, and there are no referrals for this, so you can just go to this specific link, is to go to the app of Sahara Labs for the developer platform. So once you click that, you are going to be sent here, and before seeing this dashboard you will be able to register. That is the point 2. So you need to create your profile. It's just putting a logo or a photo or something there. Just put your name, last name. You can put any information that you want, and after you do that you will be able to create your profile. Hey guys, we partner with What Exchange, one of the greatest decentralized exchange right now in the market. I love that you can see everything on your screen at once. You can connect to What Exchange from different mainnets, and you can see here the list of hundreds of tokens. They are continuously adding more tokens each week. And What Exchange has an active airdrop. They are going to distribute it 30% of the total supply guys into this airdrop. So that is why I am super bullish trading here too. You can see here the point section that they added recently, so you can check everything about your progress on this airdrop. And in trading you can see how many order tokens you earn, because they have this payback system from the fees that you pay. Part of that goes back to you on order tokens. So check the link on the description to join to What Exchange, trade on the platform, participate on the airdrop of the 30% of the supply, and also get some order tokens back. All the links are in the description. Once you create your profile, you are going to see this dashboard. Basically, you have the data service section, which is available. AI marketplaces, you can see this coming soon. Models coming soon. Agents coming soon. So you have my assets section. So here you will be able to create a folder. For example, let's say that I want to put this folder CCS2. I will not put any description. So create a folder, and inside those folders you can upload assets. You will need these assets in order to perform the actions that we are going to show you. If you don't want to do that first, you can do it in one of the steps when we create and enter and register our AI assets. So to do that, we are going to pay with the Sahara AI Testnet tokens. So the step 3 is get the Faucet. That there is a link. So here you will see the Sahara AI link. Remember that to receive these testnet tokens, you need at least 0.01 Ethereum on your mainnet wallet. If not, you are not going to receive anything. You also can go to the Faucet from here, down here on the Sahara AI developer platform. You have the Faucet 2 that is going to send you here to the same place. So connect your wallet. If you have been participating on the previous rounds on the private testnet, of course, use the same wallet. I think you are going to be rewarded for participate on the private testnet too. But for the public testnet, use the same wallet. If it's your first time doing anything on Sahara, don't worry, you can use any wallet that you want. So get the Faucet and get some tokens here. Now that you have some tokens, we just need to do the point 4, which is click and register your AI asset. You will fill in all the data and upload a JSON file, CSV file, or TXT dataset. Click upload, and then you will need to stay tuned for more information. So let's go and do that. Click here on register AI assets. You can click there and go. Here you need to upload an asset. So let's say I will put any information here, doesn't matter really. The modality is going to be a text, that is okay. Select your language of the dataset. So what you're going to do is upload the file. So remember, this is a TXT file, CSV file, or like I mentioned before, a JSON file. So you can click here, select a folder in my assets. So this is where you can create again the new folder, or you just can select one from one of your folders. So I will click that, one of those folders. I will put a remark here, CCS2, and I will click to upload the file. So I will put this TXT file, and once you complete everything, you can click here on upload. So now you need to register your on-chain file so you can see everything. This is an RC721 token standard. The network is Sahara testnet and it's a non-transferable future. Remember, in this case, I have 0 Sahara on this account. This is just for the purpose of the video. But once you get the Faucet, you will be able to register this and pay the transaction. And that is everything that you need to do so far. So click on register, pay the fee of the transaction, and you are done. My recommendation is to do this a couple of times, not always the same day, but try to engage with the data service, register a couple of AI assets over time, while we're waiting here, coming soon, building the AI agents and monetize your asset. Remember, this is a testnet, so you don't need to spend any real money. And the last point, the documentation link. This was also launched with the rest of information on May 19. Here is a ton of information, technical aspects of how the Sahara application works, the data services platform, the AI developer platform where we are applying right now, what is going to be the AI marketplace, which is coming soon, and everything that you can think about Sahara is explained on this documentation. So this was the most updated information that they launched. So you can read everything here if you want to know more about technical aspects of the platform and the different layers that we are going to be interacting. And that is all for this Sahara Airdrop public testnet. If you want the alpha before everyone else, please join my private Discord. Of course, we cover everything there first and more than you can get here on YouTube for free. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications. Put your comments below if you have been participating on the Sahara AI private rounds. And here you have also a video on how my airdrop application works. Guys, the subscriptions are really cheap. You can pay monthly or annually, and you will find a ton of value here with my community and Airdrop Hunter expert. That will be all. Follow me at CryptoSeaState on X, where I post live action stuff, and we are going to see you in the next video. Bye.